Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today we're going to look at some of my favorite Blackhead clips from @GreatestMedical on Instagram. While you watch these clips, feel free to check out Amazon's best blackhead masks and pimple popper tools. We'll put links below. Before we continue, is this image real or fake? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. We'll see you next time. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.